Hi there again to Mahlo mCast. Today we will talk about the possibilities of multi-channel measurement. This is a nice method to use just one sensor to detect different parameters. Let's jump right in. Hello and servus from Bavaria. Welcome to our new Mahlo mCast. In this YouTube channel, it's all about measurement, control and automation for moving webs. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Matthias Wulbeck. I'm the product manager for web gauging systems at Mahlo. For more than 75 years, Mahlo has been active worldwide in the field of running fabric webs. In quality management systems, web process control, and web gauging systems, we have an experience over 25 years. So we know exactly where the shoe pinches and what solutions are available. In our mCast series on the topic of nonwovens, we would like to show you the online measurement and control of important parameters. Nonwovens are designed specifically for their intended use and must adhere to exact technical parameters to work perfectly in their final destination. These parameters are significantly influenced by the physical properties that result during production. The basis weight, the moisture content, and the thickness determine the decisive properties of the nonwoven. Hi there and welcome to the Mahlo mCast. In our previous videos we have talked about the basis weight, moisture measurement, thickness measurement, and today I want to introduce the possibility to take different parameters from one single sensor. This method we call multi-channel measurement. If you have seen our mCast moisture measurement, there was mentioned that we have the infrared technology, and this offers the possibility to detect either with 6 channels or the full near-infrared spectrum. So we get signals from different channels that show us content of water when we want to measure the moisture, but in the same way we can see polyethylene, polypropylene, PVC, adhesives, hot melt, whatever. All organic structures can be detected in the near-infrared spectrum. So if we want to see, for instance, 1 or 2 types of fiber plus the moisture, then it makes a lot of sense just to use one single sensor that is capable to measure it all. So we can avoid to use an additional sensor just for the basis weight. And this gives us a huge cost effect. Let's take a look at this example. So we have a nonwoven consisting of rayon and PET, and this material also contains a residual moisture. With the multi-channel measurement of the near-infrared sensor, we detect this peak for the rayon, here the PET, and the water, which is our moisture. And so we have the possibility to measure the basis weight by adding the 2 components to the true total basis weight. And all this can be done with only one single sensor. So far for the theory. Now let's take a look on it. Oh, hi Christian.
Hey,
You're
Matthias.
already there.
Yeah, I have prepared something for you.
Wonderful. Let's
follow
jump
me.
right in. So, well, this is the same setup we used last time when we demonstrated the infrared measurement with the infrared transmission sensor. And today I'm very happy that we can see now the possibility for the multi-channel measurement.
Yeah.
Christian, could you in some short words describe what is a multi-channel measurement?
So the EMFT sensor is able to measure several properties for our customers, like we already talked about the moisture content. Of course, the sensor can measure the basis weight of the nonwoven product in this case. So this looks very familiar to the last time we talked. And of course, we can separate the ingredients of the product. For example, this product has a PET polypropylene combination of the nonwoven fibers, and the EMFT sensor is able to measure the content from polypropylene and PET as well, regarding to the basis weight of the product.
Great. So this means in the same way as we see the moisture at a certain bandwidth of the infrared light, we can use different filters to see as well the different type of fiber like polypropylene, polyethylene, cellulose, viscose, whatever comes along.
Yeah, there are several filters in the sensor setting, and every filter has a specific kind of wavelength, and in this wavelength we can resolute the absorption from the product, from the material, and the sensor separates it for us after calibration.
That sounds very interesting. And what do we see on the screen right now?
Here on the screen, we see three properties the sensor is measuring. So in the top bar we can see the basis weight of the whole nonwoven product. In the middle bar we resolute the polypropylene fiber and the content in the product. And as well, the third property is the moisture content. And here we can see three different kind of properties. Every one works very well with the sensor and is very stable in the measurement at all.
So in the past, it was a need, if we want to see the basis weight and moisture level, we had to use two separate sensors. One, in most cases, the infrared sensor for the moisture, plus another one for the basis weight, which could be, for instance, a beta or an X-ray gauge. Mm-hmm. And with the upcoming obligations especially for the beta gauge, it is a big advantage that we can avoid this type of measurement and do everything by using one single infrared sensor.
So, yes.
Christian, as we know, in one scanner we can use up to 9 channels for all type of measurement. What is typical for the infrared sensor on a nonwoven application?
So in this case we use 3 channels, like mentioned, also for the basis weight, for the fiber content and for the moisture content. Here we use 3 channels. Usually our customer requests for up to 4 channels because they have maybe another kind of fiber content like polyimide or something like that. So they want to know the basis weight and 2 kind of additional fibers in the nonwoven product.
Okay, and if it's requested, we can also add additional sensors as usual, like a thickness measurement or air permeability or whatsoever.
Yeah, that's correct. And everything is included in one QMS system where we can use several sensors in one visualization shown.
Great. Okay, thanks again. And just giving a brief summarize, with the multi-channel sensors we can do several measurements with just one single infrared sensor, which can be moisture, fiber content, and basis weight. And in that case, there is no need for additional basis weight sensors, for instance, using beta gauges or X-ray or whatever. So this is for the future a very great solution to run a very efficient and cost-effective gauging system. Thank you very much. And thanks again, Christian.
You're always welcome, Matthias.
Thank you very much for watching. Did you like the video? Then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Then you won't miss any of our new videos. We would love to hear your comments and suggestions. So put them in the comment section. Don't miss the next episode of our mCast Nonwoven series. I'm looking forward to seeing you there again. My name is Matthias Wollbeck from Mahlo. Have a nice day and goodbye.